Do you know how schools and institutes invite parents and guests for special events? They use something called a formal invitation. Today, let's learn the format and see a real example. Format explanation. A formal invitation follows a fixed format. It includes these details. First come the host. Then come the name of the institute followed by occasion. You have to mention date, time and venue. Also mention the chief guest. Contact details are important. Special instructions if any. Then at last your name and signature. This format makes the invitation clear, polite and professional. Now let's look at an example of a formal invitation for an annual concert. Let's take each point individually. First, let's say host is the management, staff and students. The name of the institute can be Sunrise Public School of your city. Followed by occasion, that is annual concert as mentioned. Then date, time and venue as per the details. Let's say the day is Saturday 18th April 2026 and the time is 5 p.m. onwards. Venue can be Sunrise Public School auditorium. Coming up to chief guest, which is very important, we can write Dr. Meera Kulkarni, educationist and author. For contact details, we can write for queries, please contact to 98765 43210 or email on info@sunrise.edu.in. Now for the special instructions, you may write kindly be seated by 4:45 p.m. Invitation admits 2 members per family. Please carry this invitation card for entry. Finally, write the name of the principal and the school. And that's how you draft a formal invitation. Simple, clear and respectful. Now try writing on for your own school event. For more, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon.